What's good, everybody? What's up? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out BABYMONSTER Super Duper Love. I'm like 3 days late. My bad. Life be lifing. It's the holidays. Been uploading to Patreon. Go check it out. Link in the description. I'm not gonna even waste your time. Let's just get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Super Duper Love. Ooh.
Super Duper Love.
Super Duper Love. Ooh.
No, I ain't never been a feeling like this. Never had a feeling this big.
Wait. Hold up. Oh, okay. Well, I got chills thinking, watching like the snow. The visuals. Oh, the pink hair. Oh. Gotta slow. Hey. Ballin'.
Because of you, I'm looking up in the sky.
Oh, how beautiful.
Hand on my heart till death do us
Till
part.
death do us part.
Sweetest dynamite. Boom, boom, boom. I'm about to explode. How can I feel more than this? I don't know. We got that super duper
Ooh,
love.
super duper love. Ooh, the sunset. Oh my God. Ooh, girl. You serving. The horse. Love. Super duper love. Love.
This love is so gigantic.
Let's go, bias.
Massive, so enormous.
Ooh.
Just like magic. I've been
Talk to
seeing
him.
stars and hearing orchestras like this zero gravity. You and me beyond infinity. Got
Hey.
me up in the
Hey.
air like
Ooga.
taking me there. Kissing you, we got a problem 'cause I lost control of emotional hands
Bro,
on
the
the
rap
wheel.
line.
Needing more oxygen, you a phenomenon.
God tier.
I could go on and on about how I feel.
Hey.
Can't stop, won't stop. I don't need a pit stop. Fitting like a boombox. Now look at what you got.
Oh.
Hitting me like a bazooka. Only one love if it's super duper.
Okay.
Because of you,
Super
I'm
duper.
flying high. Because of you, I'm looking up in the sky. Hands on my heart till death do us part. The sweetest
Wow, that set looks good.
Boom, boom, I'm about to explode. How can I feel more than this? I don't
Okay,
know.
vocals in
We
there.
got that super duper love.
Love. Super duper love. Ooh. Love.
Boom, boom, boom. My heart is too loud.
Yeah.
How can it get
Yeah.
better
Yeah.
than it is right now? We got that super duper love.
I miss Ramy. I do miss Ramy. Was that Ramy? Nah, whoa, that's fucking weird. Wait, it's like I manifested it. No, deadass, I did not see this. I swear to God. I just said, like, when looking at as a group, and the first girl, I think, out of BABYMONSTER, Ramy, got my attention. Her vocals are on. Oh my God. When I saw her live, I think she was singing Jasmine Sullivan. I was like, ooh, girl, that's a hard song, but she did it. I miss her. I know she took a break due to mental health, right? Correct me in the comments down below, but is this her, like, waiting? Who is that? And it's like the butterfly coming in. What? Damn. Fire song. This is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's definitely gonna be an earworm. The rap line. Oh my God. Can we just talk about the rap? I love Ruka, first of all. Ruka the bias. Ruka the bias.
This love is so gigantic, so galactic, massive,
so
so
enormous.
enormous. Just like magic, I've been seeing stars and hearing orchestras like this zero gravity. You and me beyond infinity. Got me up in the air like ooh, God. Hot like a rocket, taking me there. Kissing you, we got a problem 'cause all is control.
Asa.
Oxygen, you a phenomenon. I could go on and on about how
I feel. Put a comment down below what you guys think of BABYMONSTER Super Duper Love. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Have a blessed day. Happy holidays. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out the Patreon. We already reacted to the Mama Awards, Melon Music Awards. Link in the description. It's for free. Go check it out. And yeah. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.